Passage 3. Let's have a look. And here is the last bit. So what is it that this passage tells us? It basically says that this centuries-old Indian architectural feature called Jali is now being incorporated into the modern architecture to keep the buildings cool. Additionally, it says the Jalis are getting more dynamic thanks to technological advancements like biomimicry. Then we mention a particular building that has used this feature along with Mashrabia, which is borrowed from the Arabian architecture. Thereafter, the passage goes ahead and talks about the various constraints in the use of jalis in the contemporary world. So constraints like cost, the fact that it is time consuming, the fact that you need to fine tune the material that you need to use, and then it goes ahead and wraps up by saying that, see, despite these limitations, they are useful and they should be made a part of the architecture. So that's the gist of the passage for you. So question 9. Which one of the following statements, if false, could be seen as supporting the argument? So let's simplify it. Can I say which one of the following statements weaken the argument? If it is false, then it supports. It means that in its existing avatar, it should weaken. So let's start. A. The Mashrabia designs use wood but not the Jali design. I would have phrased this sentence better, but it's okay. This is something that is true according to the passage, and anything that is true will support. It is not going to weaken. You can refer to the third paragraph and you'd find this mentioned there. So we can eliminate option A. Okay, B. Traditional building materials are not suited for Jali designs from the cost point of view. This is once again true. You can refer to paragraph 8, which says using traditional building materials such as marble for modern construction may not be viable or cost effective. So this, anything which is true, anything which is consistent with the passage is obviously going to support and not weaken. So we can rule out option B as well. C. The Jali design is currently experiencing a comeback. Absolutely, that's the main theme. So even this does not weaken. D. The Al-Bahar towers exclusively used the Jali or Mashrabia designs for their construction. Oh, this is something that I have a problem with. So they used Jali or Mashrabia for the facade. They did not use it for the entire construction. So this is not true as per the passage, and therefore option D becomes our best candidate for weakening whatever is given in the argument. So our answer for question 9 is option D.